So Alborea, how many rooms?
116.
116. So this 109.
109, 116. Then Valentino 387 and 185 Caramel.
Kalidria, what it means?
I don't know, it is normal name.
You mean?
I don't know the history of Kalidria, why they put that name. I know the name of the resort.
Okay.
The resort, it's named Valentino at the beginning. Valentino, it was an actor, Rodolfo Valentino. Was very famous in United States. Was the Playboy sex symbol before the Playboy come out. Was very famous.
This is a smell.
Yeah, this is one. That little one on the back and this one.
What's the name?
I don't know. No,
No, this one.
it is that one.
No, very tasty smell.
Then we have full with rosemary around as well. Lavender.
So lodge is like this.
Yeah. Those are what we are calling lodge.
But you have some fine dining restaurant or not for the lodge?
Kalidria. Then Alborea is also starting over there to the right size. Alborea, all of the lodge start on Kalidria and finish in Kalane. In terms of space, it's the biggest one.
3 kilometers total.
3 kilometers, good and flow.
Да. 3 kilometers would.
You can do by walk 3 kilometers following all of the good and flow.
No, this is pines.
This is fine, yeah.
Да. So 445.
445, yeah.
What is the type?
This is, I mean, all of the lodge, they are the same.
Okay.
There are no differences between them.
So just lodge room.
Yeah.
EcoLodge lodge. How big?
This one, it is 56 square meter. They have all of them bath tube and shower. Separate 2 bathrooms.
Many space.
Yeah, normally they are still here 2 weeks. It is not kitchen, this is the frigobar. At the beginning it was a kitchen.
The kitchen also was interesting.
Yeah, maybe at the beginning it was much more interesting.